Right, off we go again. Right. Excuse me. Well, we've got the bearing in, so that's that bit done. Now we want to put this bar, drill a hole for this bar and drill a hole for this bar. And then we can start working on the sled after we've got these fixed in position. Right, now then, we want to drill that size, that big. And guess what? I'm as prepared as I always am. Not. So bear with me. Otherwise I'll be switching you on and off all day, night, whatever. That's the sound of a desperate man trying. I'll remember to charge the battery up. No, I'll never make Brain of Britain, will I? Right, anyway, I've found a drill, so I think we'll do a smaller one. Yeah, I think. That one's even better. There we go. As always, like a Boy Scout, never prepared. Tried to get into the Girl Guides once. They wouldn't let me in. Don't know why. This is the one. Right, on that side. That's correct. Hang on. Check it, Raymond. Yeah, see, you nearly cocked up there, look. It's the other end. Here we go. Helps if I do the chuck up, does it? I don't know what's wrong. A blunt drill. And as I don't have a drill sharpener, what I'll do is I'll put a pilot hole in first, because these aren't going in very far anyway. Yep, should be alright. Should be. Whether it will be or not, we'll find out. Noisy bugger, aren't I? Yeah, I know I should have done the outer ones before I put the bearing in, but I'll have to suck it and see. I should be putting plenty of oil in there anyway. Not so much oil, but a bit of grease to help out. So does this fit? Does it act? Here we go again. That is good friends, enjoy good company. Okay. I reckon with a bit of gentle persuasion that might go in. So just clear it out a bit more at the bottom. That's better. Yeah, that'll do it. There's the first one. And there's the threaded rod. Hey, this is going to be wicked, isn't it? Even better when you put it in the right place, Raymond. Hey. Okay. Right. Now I need one for this. Yeah. Oh, well. I mean, you're going to end up with this situation. I mean, for those of you who've got a fantastic workshop, it'll be peanuts. Peanuts, real jungle fresh. Yes, alright, Raymond. That's enough. Don't bore them silly. Right, try this one first. You can tell I'm a mechanic, can't you? Okay, see how much bigger we got to make this. Oh, let's have a look. Whoa, not a lot bigger. I think if I just wiggle the drill around. I think we might have 6 eggs. Yeah, I reckon that's a goer. So, what I will do now is I'll some memory paper and just rough up the end a little bit, not a great deal. Just to give the liquid weld a bit of something to bite into. Right, this one, same thing. And I know I've got a little bit there, and the sled is going to come down to there. But what I'm going to do is where the sled come down there, so we don't have this. Oh, sorry. So we don't have this sharp edge cutting into the wood. What I'll do is just cut out a piece there, about 1/8 of an inch in, just so that it comes up and enters open space. Okay. Right. Now then, pop a bit of glue in there. Going in. Sure. Good. And in there. Jolly good. Don't put too much in there, otherwise you'll have fountains of glue coming out. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to use this end, I'm going to use this end. Right, I've got one. Okay. Can you see that from there? I'll do it over there a bit more. How's that? Right, here we go. Right, that's the first one. There goes the second one. And everyone's a fluffy one. There we go. Now then, we need a clearance hole. That's fine. Yeah, I'll do a clearance hole to start with, because if I use a bearing, then well, I'm going to use a bearing anyway, then I can open up the hole as required. Am I going? I don't know. There's this thing. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. Why do you keep sliding over there? That's it. Is everybody ready for Christmas? I keep being asked that question. Are you ready for Christmas? I say no. And they go, what do you mean no? I haven't got long to go. I said, to me, Christmas is 2 days, because I haven't got any family, I haven't got no kids. My son lives in Stroud, which is 40 odd miles away. He and his family do their own thing. His choice. Unfortunately, I'd like to see him, but there you go. That's the way the cookie crumbles these days. But I always look forward to Easter at this time of year, because Easter eggs last longer. Opening Christmas presents lasts a day, maybe 2 if you push it into Boxing Day. Right, top left. Right, that goes over there, so we want that one in there. had my own. Yeah, I'm a chocoholic by trade. I love Easter eggs. Yes, if you hear the story of me and chocolate, well, it would be definitely well, to put it another way, I'd make Willy Wonka look like a Smartie. But yes, I do stay like this relatively. I mean, it's only since I've been having this leg trouble that I put on weight, and then I've only put on a stone, whereas you'd have thought I'd have put on a lot more weight than that. So my friends bring me around chocolate cakes, chocolate sweets. I'll eat them. Trifles. Double check that that's too big. That's going to be, yeah, that's going to be too big as well. Yeah. So, what I'm going to persevere with this one. I mean, you've got to do this bit according to what you've got available. I know a lot of you will have everything available. But there will be probably 10 times more that haven't got everything available. And you just got to keep going until you almost hit the right spot. So now I'm going to just run this little out to get rid of the ridge in the middle. Yes, I know I could use a file and things like that, but I haven't got a round file. I mean, this is actually being built on, if you like, a shoestring for a mechanic, I suppose. But at the end of the day, when it works, I should be happy. And yes, I do want this to be a little looser. I don't know why it's being as tight as it is. I know that, aha, there we go, lovely jubbly. Yep, it's going to be fine. Now then, It's got this one to go now, and that was that one, I think. Yep. This one needed a pilot hole, didn't it? Yes, we're going to do this one. We're getting there slowly, albeit slowly. Blimey, I've been 19 minutes of this. Sorry for keeping you so long. When I play this back, if I think I can cut a few bits out to shorten it down for you, I will do. But it will only be silences, there won't be information being cut out when I'm talking, because I don't want to deprive you of the necessary information. I mean, I find watching videos, I watch them several times, you know, up to a dozen times sometimes, and I'm not just watching the video and listening to the person talking. I'm looking all around the video screen, and I pick up a lot of information just from that. Because a lot of people, when they're making videos, inadvertently give out better information sometimes than what they're actually saying, because it's the actual content in the video. Well, I found that a lot with T-Man go-karts. I'll watch his videos several times, because I'll be listening to what he's saying, and then when he goes off on a tangent, talking about another YouTuber or something he's got in the post, I'll be looking at the machine and, oh, that's how you do that, but it's something that he never showed you. And I think that's it, the importance of having, well, I suppose an observant eye, really. I mean, I've always been observant, because I'm always looking at stuff. Not from, oh, that's how that's done. But I wonder why they're checking that out. What can I do with that? And then 1,000 ideas rush through my brain. Well, one at least. Okay, right, now then. There's the first part of the sled done, the CNC machine done. And that looks okay. I'm quite surprised. All the mucking about I have to do. Now let's I'm going to take the butterflies off, because they're going to have to pardon me, go on the inside. have to make the middle hole a little bit bigger to accept the tube that I stick on the end. And because the butterflies are going to be a fair way off the end when the sled is down the bottom, then oops, it is. There you go. Caught me. The bit of tube won't matter, but it will keep the threaded bar central so it doesn't go wandering off. Make everything tight. It's the only thing with butterfly nuts, they don't spin as well as normal nuts. If you get them spinning, the air resistance and all that jazz. Right, I'll show you this in position, then I'll turn the camera off, get everything ready for the next stage. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and fix this bottom block down in position by screwing from the other side like I normally do, and then or should I go through from the top? No, I'll come through from the other side, and it'll be a lot better. There you go. I'll try. Ah, I don't. Where's me bit of tube? Gone, done a bunk. I don't know where it is. It was here a minute ago. Ah, there it is. Right, whether this is going to work or not is another matter. But if I pop that in there, move that down to there, and yes, there we go. And I'll try and gently turn this around so you can see. It's not finished, obviously, but you get the idea. The sled. Can I? Ooh, 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 ooh. Just. Okay, and the other piece of the sled. Oops. Nobody's not really guessing. The other piece of the sled will go like that. It's going to be shorter, obviously, but then the motor will be there. What do you think of that? Good, isn't it? Right, I'll let you go, and sorry it's been so long, and I'll try and cut some of the crap out. Bye for now.